Presenting the Ford 2019 F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 3.55 axle ratio, STD, front license plate bracket included, standard in states requiring 2 license plates, optional to all others, transmission, electronic 10-speed automatic included, selectable drive modes, normal tow haul snow eco select sport, 110V/400W outlet included, second outlet in the console, engine, 2.7 L V6 EcoBoost included, auto start stop technology, gross vehicle weight, 360 pounds payload package, rear wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule